Good morning, investors and corporate. Welcome to SET Digital Roadshow third quarter 2023 performance review. This session will run about 45 minutes, including Q&A. Company will start the session by 30-minute presentation, followed by 15-minute Q&A. During Q&A, investor may leave your question in meeting room chat box or you raise your hand function. We will open your microphone so you can ask the question to the company directly. May I now invite Thailand Insurance Public Company Limited to start the presentation.
Thank you. Now let me introduce our management team in the room and speaker for today's presentation. Mrs. Rawang Chayawan, Deputy CEO.
Hello, good morning ค่ะ
Mr. Michael Hyang Lee, Chief Financial Officer.
Good morning to you.
Mr. Michael will present on the summary. Mr. Xi Ling Yang, Chief Actuary.
Good morning.
Mr. Chan Hao Chong, Chief Risk Officer.
Hi, good morning.
Mr. Chan Hao Chong will present on performance update. Mr. Sarang Si Limparang Si, SVP from Investment.
Good morning.
Ms. Shanipan Chitwarakorn, Head of Investor Relations.
Good morning.
During the presentation, please ensure that your microphone is mute, and then after the presentation, there will be a Q&A session. I will now pass on to Mr. Chan Hao Chong for the first part.
Hi, good morning again. We are pleased to announce that our VONB achieved a remarkable growth of 12.3% in the third quarter of 2023, which elevated our year-to-date VONB growth to 4.2%. Despite APE decreased by 10.8%, our VONB margin grew by 9 percentage points to 62.4% as a result of our continuous focus on high-value product offerings. Our ambition remains to achieve a double-digit VONB growth over the medium term through executing our corporate strategy. As for net profit, we managed to maintain a strong results in the third quarter and registered a year-to-date net profit of 7.7 billion. This is largely through a healthy growth in insurance profit, despite a lower investment profit comparing to last year. The overall results demonstrate our resilience and our strategic focus on achieving sustainable growth in a challenging business environment. All channels achieved positive VONB growth, despite a lower overall APE during the transitions to push high-value products. We attempt to balance our productions of APE and VONB margin through a series of new products offering to ensure that we sustain the achievement of VONB growth. In agency channel, we maintain our leading position and delivered a VONB growth of 5% in the first 9 months of this year. In line with our plan to build agency force, our unit managers and above has increased to 26,000 over the third quarter. We are on track to bring it back to the pre-pandemic level of around 30,000 by the end of next year. Meanwhile, our agents have been trained and educated to actively promote high-value products that align with our product strategy. While traditional ordinary life products continue to represent a significant portions of our product mix, we have seen a noticeable increase in contributions from new par products and riders. Therefore, we're able to generate solid VONB growth amidst the challenges from economic outlook. In partnership channel, we have established strong relationships with key partners to focus on high-value products. Despite facing some slowdown in APE productions during the rollout of our par products and riders, it has been compensated by hike in VONB margin. Several new products were launched during the third quarter, which would help to further boost our productions and VONB growth. Policies submitted through digital sales tool increased from 57% at the end of last year to 74% at September this year, which is in line with our expectation. In order to sustain our profitability target, our product strategy is to increase the pie of high-value products, as well as products which are less sensitive to interest rate movement, in order to reduce the volatility of VONB margin. As a result of successful execution in this strategy for all channels, the proportion of new par products expanded from 14.4% in last year to 19.5% in first 9 months of this year. The proportion of riders also increased from 12.6% to 16.6% over the same period. Now, let's move on to net profit. Our net profit has two main components: insurance profit and investment profit. We continue to deliver sustainable insurance profit whilst successfully generating an investment profit during these economic and global political uncertainties. Our net profit in the third quarter slightly decreased by around 5% from the same period of last year due to higher medical claims. This is mainly from non-simple diseases, as the medical checkups and treatments for such disease might be avoided and deferred during the pandemic. We expected the trend in medical claims will normalize as we are proactively managing our claims. In the current high-yield environment, our appetite is to shift our investment towards government bonds. As a result, we slightly reduced our exposure to corporate bonds and equities. As of September this year, our asset allocation remains steady with over 80% of portfolio in fixed income. TLI focuses on sustainable business operations with the vision to be a value-driven life insurance company of sustainability. In terms of ESG, we continue working on various projects including green buildings certifications, creating shared value project, and ESG products. Our dedication to sustainability has been recognized with the Insurance Asia Awards 2023 for Sustainable Insurance Initiative of the Year. In addition, we recently received a perfect score of 5 stars in Corporate Governance Report by Thai Institute of Directors Association. This achievement demonstrates our commitment to integrate sustainability into our business operations. And now, I would like to pass on to Michael for the summary. Thank you.
Thank you so much, Jan Ho. Let me summarize the presentation for this morning. Despite facing challenges during the year, we continue to focus on profitabilities and aim to achieve positive growth in VONB, net profit, and EV. As for key distribution channel, we have expanded our agency force and targeting to achieve 27,000 unit managers and above by the end of this year. Meanwhile, our strategy is to maintain the diversity of partners to minimize the reliance on single partners and to tap on a wider customer group. There are several factors may affecting our operations. On the positive side, the Thai government policy would potentially boost GDP in various ways. For example, the visa-free entry for Indians and Taiwanese nationals and other stimulus plans to accelerate consumptions. On the negative side, the global impact from China's slowdown and the Israel war would potentially result in some uncertainty in the capital market and investment return. We are closely monitoring these factors that will affect our performance. However, as the majority of our investment is in fixed income, we expect the impact is likely to be moderate. All in all, we remain confident to deliver a sustainable value in the fourth quarter. Thank you so much for interest in our company.
Thank you everyone for joining this session. And we would like to conclude our session. If you have any question later, please feel free to contact us at IR email investor.relations@thailife.com. Once again, thank you for joining our presentation today.
Okay, so on behalf of the Stock Exchange of Thailand, I would like to thank you investors and corporate for joining the conference. We look forward to welcome you all again in the next quarter. Thank you very much and have a good day. ขอบคุณนะคะ
ขอบคุณครับ